Hello, hello! Hello, good afternoon! Welcome to Discount Store Best Deals FB Live page. Today we are going to show you how to install sofa covers. Our sofa covers are available in 4 sizes: 1-seater size, 2-seater size, 3-seater size, and 4-seater size. Also, we have for L shape as long as it's divided or separated. We have also for dining chair cover, same designs or different designs available. Also cushion cover, we have only 5 dirhams for cushion cover, and dining chair cover is only 19 dirhams. So let's put, as you can see here, we have sofa, big and puff. Look at this puff. So it's actually 3-seater, but since it's big and puff, we need a bigger size, which is 4-seater size. This is the 4-seater size. So let me show you how to put the sofa cover. So you need to open it. And you can find inside the package the white foams, this white sponge, white sticks. This will help you later on shaping the sofa. So the shape of your sofa will be visible, will still be visible with the covers. So let's open it. Let's remove from the package. This is the 4-seater size. First thing first, you need to check for the tag. You need to check for this tag because this tag will going to guide you on putting the sofa cover. This tag must be at the back side. So this one will stay here at the middle, ready for back side. Make sure it's the tag is at the middle, so it's easier for you guys to have someone to help you on putting. Okay, let's do this. We put together back, and then you put in front until the end. This one is elastic type, so you can see the garter from down. It will hold the sofa. And you can see this part, like a line. It must be on the arm. And you need to fix from the back part. Now, as you can see, the cover is already on the sofa, was placed already on the sofa. So we just need to tie it up. We need to roll the sofa down from the back. So you hold from the arm and the back part and roll until you can see the bottom. On the bottom part, you can see the strings. These strings. You can see from here the strings, and you just need to tie them. Tie them from the bottom. If you have this metal, you can tie from them, or you can tie together. So when you see it, the cover will not be removed, will not move. You can tie it. You tie also, it has 6 strings. One sofa cover has 6 strings. So you need to tie it nicely so it will hold the sofa. When you finish, you just put it back. Slowly, and then this is the white foams. Now for shaping, as you can see, you cannot see anymore the shape of the sofa, of your sofa. So you need these white foams. It will help you, it will help a lot on shaping your sofa. So we put on the spaces of your sofa, you just put deeply. You need to put more deep, so as you sit, it will not be removed. You put more as deep as you can. You need also to put on the arms. You put inside, deeply inside. So even if our children or our pets will play on it, it will not easily be removed. Slowly by slowly, the shape is now clear. You can see now the shape of your sofa, your original sofa. Other excess parts you can fix here. If you still have enough sticks, you can still put on this corner. As you can see, the back cushions shape are now visible. So this is now our finish insulation for 4-seater sofa. Our sofa covers can work on most type of sofa since the material is stretchable. Available in 1-seater size, 2-seater size, 3-seater size, and 4-seater size. Our cover will also you can use also our cover for L-shaped sofa. Make sure the L-shaped sofa is divided or separated. This is now let me show you. This is the pair cushion cover. Pair cushion cover is only 5 dirhams. Look at this material, it's very stretchable. This is only 5 dirhams, pillow cover, cushion cover. And we are going to show you, we are finished with sofa cover. We will show you also how to put the dining chair cover. So let me get the dining chair and we will cover it. This is the dining chair. And this is the cover. This is the dining chair cover. You need to look for the opening. This one is the opening. This one should be on the front. This back part will go at the back. This long back. So you just put like this, as easy as this. And look how stretchable it is. So, this is now the covered dining chair. It's so easy to install. As you can see, it covered until here. Only 19 dirhams. You can order via WhatsApp 0529 450 555, or you can visit our page Discount Store Deals. sizes. If you have big sofas, you have big or bigger sofas, smaller sofas, we can help you to find the exact or the best sizes for it. Just you need to do is take photo of your sofa and show us on WhatsApp or FB page, and we will gladly to help you. This is all for today, guys. So please visit our page, visit and follow our page for more details and more sales, upcoming sales. Thank you and have a good day.